I've been wearing my Dexcom G6 sensor for 10 days now and just got a notification to replace my sensor. To replace your Dexcom G6 sensor, follow these steps. First, take the sensor off your body, then remove the transmitter from the holder. Second, enter a new sensor code. Third, insert a new sensor and attach your transmitter. Fourth, start your new sensor. The first thing you need to do is remove your sensor and transmitter. Grab the edge of the adhesive patch, peel the adhesive and the transmitter up and away from your body like a bandage. Now remove the transmitter from the holder. To remove the transmitter, push down the lip and break the wide end of the transmitter holder. Pull the transmitter out of the holder. Keep the transmitter to use with your next sensor. You will reuse your transmitter for 3 months. Next, you will need to enter a new sensor code. Once you tap New Sensor, you will be prompted for a new sensor code. Each code is specific to the sensor. Grab a new sensor and enter the code. I will enter the code manually. Now you need to insert your sensor and attach your transmitter. Remember, you need to insert the same sensor as the sensor code you just entered. First, wash and dry your hands. Choose a site to insert your sensor. Clean the site with rubbing alcohol and let it dry. Choose a site at least 3 inches away from your insulin pump infusion set or injection site. Avoid bony areas like ribs and hip bones and areas with scarring, tattoos, hair, or irritation. Also, you don't want to use the same sensor site 2 times in a row. Remove both labels. Do not touch the adhesive. Place the applicator on your skin. Fold and break off the safety guard. Press the button to insert the sensor. Remove the applicator. You've successfully inserted your sensor. Now it's time to attach your transmitter. Clean your transmitter with an alcohol wipe and let it dry. Insert the transmitter tab into the slot. Snap transmitter firmly into place. Then rub around the patch 3 times. Once your transmitter is attached, you can swim, bathe, and shower like normal. You have successfully inserted your sensor and attached your transmitter. Now back on your app, tap Start Sensor. Now your sensor warm-up has begun, and the warm-up will take 2 hours to complete. You will start getting your alarm and alerts again after the warm-up is complete. And that's how you replace your sensor and start your new sensor. Of course, if you have any questions, call Dexcom Technical Support.